Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Very excited to bring along to you today all the news and excitement that we had during the month of July. We started off with a few new builds, Project Suzy Q being one of them, East North Green exterior Defender 110, distressed brown interior, absolutely stunning with plaid details inside and a few other special details that make this vehicle very nice. After Suzy Q, we have Project Slow Life. This is a Defender 110 EV soft top designed to our client's specifications. The car is painted in Keswick green eggshell finish with some narrow bronze accents, and it came out absolutely stunning. Then we have Project Heavy Huey. Heavy Huey is also a D110 soft top, painted in Keswick green, however gloss finish, extended fender flares, more traditional steel wheels, also painted in body color. The interior is stunning in this car with a balsamic distressed leather and also Pepita houndstooth textile inserts all around. Next was Project Wilder, which is indeed one of the most amazing E.C.D vehicles that we've ever built. The engine alone produces over 700 horsepower. We have more customization in this vehicle that we can list for, anywhere from the paint to sample exterior color to the Nardi specialty steering wheel, and everything else in between is truly special in this truck. Then after that, we have Project Hampshire, a beautiful gray Defender 110 in a very subtle exterior finish, but with some special accents that made it also a true 101 custom Defender. Project Hampshire was also part of our county collection, which brings an array of upgrades and different features that make it truly standalone from a conventional build. Next, we have Project Juke Life, a truly special Defender 90 soft top with an amazing exterior paint finish in eggshell, perfectly manicured Recaro seats wrapped in a textured cream leather all around. Then came Project Mackay, our only Range Rover classic of the group this month, with a very special vehicle as well indeed. Painted in dark green with black wheels and a tan interior, it exudes. It is truly an elegant vehicle and a very comfortable to ride as well. And last but not least, we have Project Brownie, one of the most powerful Defender 110 station wagons we've ever built. Powered by an LT4 650 horsepower engine, capable of amazing acceleration while providing amazing reliability. Now also, as part of our feature articles this month, you will find two interesting topics: how E.C.D builds a Defender that feels like a private jet, and what sets a custom E-Type apart from stock Jaguars. Now don't forget to check out our highlight videos of the month, showcasing Project Wilder, with an engine producing over 700 horsepower, as well as Project Brownie in a special eggshell narrow bronze paint finish. Now you'll also find additional information under press features, where Project Wilder is featured in Off-Road Extreme magazine, Car Scoops, Forma Car, High Consumption, and D-Shop magazine. Also, you'll find additional articles from Car Scoops, Yahoo, and Auto Week on our 67 Mustang Coupe, which has really become popular out there. And remember, you can build a unique custom Mustang or Defender in our live configuration online. Be sure to follow us in all social channels at E.C.D Auto Design. Also stay tuned on our Instagram. We're currently on a mission to gift Sydney Sweeney a custom Mustang.